If you're a locksmith starting out, this tool could save you thousands of dollars while covering 90% of your daily jobs. Is Jennifer again with another Tool Review Tuesday? Now, let's talk about the XTOOL AutoProPAD Core. Feature 1. Essential OBD Programming Support. The AutoProPAD Core offers reliable OBD key programming for brands like Ford, Dodge, Jeep, Honda, Toyota, Nissan, and more. Add keys, delete lost ones, and program remotes easily. Perfect for everyday locksmith jobs. Feature 2. Guided procedures and user-friendly interface. XTOOL's intuitive interface makes it easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Perfect for new locksmiths or mobile techs working in fast-paced situations. The large touchscreen and responsive design make navigating a breeze. Feature 3. Upgradeable system with upgrade options. This is a core model, but it doesn't mean you're stuck. As your business grows, you can upgrade to higher-tier versions of the AutoProPAD with more advanced functions like EEPROM or pre-coding. So it's an investment you can build on. Now let me talk to you about the minor con. The core version doesn't support EEPROM or some advanced features, but for everyday OBD jobs, it's more than enough. If you're starting out or want a dedicated programmer for standard vehicles, the AutoProPAD Core is a dependable, affordable choice. Grab your AutoProPAD Core now at locksmithkeyless.com, where pros get the tools they trust.